Hello, so today I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube solve. Last time I did this Rubik's Cube solve with my Rubik's brand a few months ago, and I kind of sucked. I got like a minute in the 1 minute and 20 second solve, and I used F12, which was like really bad because I didn't know any algorithms for it. But now with my Feiwu, I average like 30 seconds now, and my PB average is 29 seconds, and my PB is just 25 seconds. So let's get to the solve. So I'm gonna do inspection and then I'll solve the cube. So ready, set, go. Where's that one? Oh, where did that go? So that was a solve. I don't know how many seconds that was, but I guess it was around 30. My Z-prim was okay, and my F12 was okay. My cross was, I couldn't find the last piece, the orange, white. So it was an average solve for me. So that is all I have for today, guys, and I do other solves when I get better. I'm going to a competition, the 2015 SoCal Super Comp. So that is all I have for today. Bye.